What the hell is that? Boss, BOS, Toronto Stock Exchange, Airboss of America Corp, man. That is a kick-ass name. All right, another extraction from stageanalysis.net, US stock screeners. And check out this beast, guys. Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 4 on the monthly. All right. With no further ado, let's identify our monthly defined support. Scoot over. Why am I scooting over? Well, it's part of my emotion management techniques. Don't let it interfere the border of the chart on your mind. Not because it's up here that it could only go down. Not because it's just down here that could go up. And leave some black space just to imagine what could happen all around. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Do we have a break on this candle right here? Most likely. So what does that mean? Implied measure move. Add it to the breakout line. Is that what we're dealing with? Maybe. Pull back and then continuation. Or am I not seeing some type of resistance around these levels? Hard to tell. Maybe here some resistance. But right now, the way I see it, I would have liked to have a few candles like right here on this 1328 level. 1328. Yeah. Here. 1325. All right, so breakout. And then implied measure move 1640. And we're currently in a confirmed breakout on monthly candle chart. So that's the target right there. And let's scoot over to the 5-year weekly chart. That crazy. Had a crazy candle here and it skews all my Ichimoku cloud. Why? Interactive broker, why? Why does that happen? Doesn't matter. I'm going to hijack. Okay, here we are. Ooh. Patrick, what are you looking at? What's the first thing you look at? The first thing I look at is volume candles. And that's the beauty of stocks and stage analysis. These two candles here. Look at the volume. And then reverse engineer. Ooh. What about these levels right here? This one. These candles here. Breakout right here above the 30-week moving average. Let's back it up. Let's see what we've got in here. Hey, look, I have a candle. Crazy volume. More than twice the average of the previous 4 or 5 weeks. Horizontal breakout line. You could draw it all the way from there. Above the Ichimoku cloud. Now you have support under you. 30-week average starting to go up. So right here. Right there. Even had a breakout of this small pattern. But true pattern is where I have my... Right. Let's clean that up. Remove the Ichimoku cloud. There you go. So right here, could have played that as a breakout. Yeah, right here. And Is it A++? The RSI is already going upwards. I like it when it's close to halfway point going upwards. But this is not the Mansfield indicator, so I'm kind of blind for the performance of this stock versus the index it's in. But it still gives me an indication of the performance of its stock with itself. And that's the best I could do, Stan. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Maybe I should find an alternative and really get the Mansfield. Configure something maybe on stock charts. Start looking at that. Any hoot. All right, so here's a breakout candle. It could have entered right here this week. Let me just check. What candle is that? That is the 26th to the 29th of March. What? Yeah. Let's go back on the 10-year weekly. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I see it's that candle right here. Is that March? That is the March candle right here. So you had the breakout. No, that is not a monthly candle breakout. Well, maybe for this pattern. Very, very small consolidation pattern here. Breakout, went through it, reached a target of that measured move, right through it. Breakout of a pattern, reach a target, go through it. That candle adds to the bigger pattern, morphs into a bigger pattern, and that actual breakout from that bottom is bringing out us to start to trace, getting close to that breakout line at the 1325 level. So on the monthly, you would have expected a pullback close to here or a slowdown close to that area. It could slow down, it could not. But expecting it is good, and then waiting for the pullback and contracting volume. And it went above that monthly defined resistance, slowed down just above it, and now 1, 2, 3 weeks going up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks for the pullback. So right here, see that long wick? If we said that was our breakout candle, I like putting an alert a little bit above that breakout line where we think it was. And if ever the price action goes within it, then you could see if it was on contracting volume, and I think it was. Look at that. So you have this volume picking up, and what happens after that? Look at all these red candles here. Small, red, very small. So any of these pullbacks here, maybe this one here or the next one, you could have decided to enter. And after that, that confirms that the trend should be continuing upwards. And what happens after that? Whoa! That's where we are today. So check that out. Here's a continuation breakout line. It closed right below it. 30-move average trying to go upwards. And then you see all that volume. And then you see the wick. You got to say, look, this green volume, was it on mostly on upticks or on moves upwards within that candle? And it was that wick, that pullback here on that wick, it was on small volume red candles or the inverse. So if you want to know the health, and that's one of the cool things about drilling down to get more details, just on like when you're on the monthly and you drill down to the weekly to see the details. Well, if you're on the weekly and you want to get details about that particular breakout candle, like that volume, when you don't have a full like green candle with no wicks, then you know it starts at the bottom, goes up, and all that's green, all the price action going up. But when it comes back down, you know there was a pullback. So let's zoom in to the 1 year daily. What? There you go. And look at that candle. Wow. So that week, we busted that week open. Where's Monday? So this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So almost no volume. And look at that. Look at that on the daily. Breakout on the daily. So the weekly attenuates some of that noise. Whoa. But actually had a breakout right here on the daily chart. And after that, you had the pullback and on small volume. So that still gives you a very positive sign about the healthy construction of the stage 2 that's in progress on the weekly chart for BOS. That's how I use the daily lines, just to get some detail about that wick right here. So if you're in the chart and you're wondering what's happening here, then you could always drill down just to get some details. A little bit more details. Not that much more, but just a little bit more. And that's where we are now for BOS, guys. Let me just go back on the monthly. You see, look at that. What does that candle do? What is that doing? So right now we had the breakout above the resistance, and right now we have another consolidation pattern, maybe a takeoff pattern. I think it's going to continue up, but if you want to be safe, just wait for that to resolve, and wait for maybe next week's candle or within this month. That's going to probably bring the price action back above, and hopefully we get a close above this last takeoff pattern, this last opportunity to get on board on a continuation breakout. So a continuation breakout on this 3 months consolidation pattern, 2 months consolidation pattern with a close above 1420. So 1420 is the key element right here. We need to close above that on the monthly. And that will coincide, that will give us our close above our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 week consolidation pattern. And hopefully we get a candle that goes above it. And we could get some crazy volume. That's going to be twice the average of the previous 4 or 5 weeks. So that's about it for BOS. If you're in, you're good. If you're on this candle, you're good. You could have bought on the pullbacks, these pullback candles. If you were noticing the volume that was contracting, it was a pullback, not a reversal. And right now, sideways move, and anticipate that next close for that continuation breakout right there, guys. All right, BOS. I guess I'll keep an eye out for you. See ya. Ciao.